Hey, once again, this is Mr. Penada. Um, in this video, I'm going to share to you how to automate your accounting business processes. So, in this video, I will share to you the tool that I use in this accounting automation. This is the Make.com application software. So what this software does is whenever a task is completed in your Asana CRM software. So if you have a Asana CRM software, whenever a task that is completed on your Asana, like for example this one, if you mark this as completed, for example this task, if I mark this completed, the automation tool will automatically um, get the data from your zero accounting software. So it depends on the date that you specified on this software, no? So in here, this is your trigger, and this is your action. So after a task is updated in your Asana CRM, next is Zero will run, and it will get the bank transactions on your Zero accounting software, and after that, this will iterate those bank transaction data, and it will write it on your Google Sheets. So uh, in this section, as you can see, um, this one will itemize the bank transaction from your zero. If we run this module, as you can see here, it will get the data from your zero application software. So in this case, there are 22 bank transactions here. So after that, there will be a router here, and we will have an iterator here, wherein we will take those data and write in our Google Sheets. Okay. And after the data is written on our Google Sheets, I will show you the Google Sheets. It will be look like this. Um, so um, so you will have a blank Google Sheets here with the name of bank transaction. In here, all the data from your zero application software will be uploaded automatically here, all the data. And after that, the data from here will be saved as CSV file. Okay, a CSV file here using this tool here. And after that, the CSV file will be uploaded in your Asana, your task ID, wherein the task is completed. And after that, um, for example, this task is completed. As you can see here, it will automatically upload the records uh, that was taken from the zero application, from the date that you specified, for example, for a whole year or a month or whatever date you specified. The bank transactions that happen on that date will be automatically uploaded to this um, task IDs. Where so this will be as will help you save time if you do this manually. That is how this process works. Okay. So after that, and you will be able now to get the record here. So from if we download this CSV file, I already downloaded it. If we open it, we can now see the bank transactions that happen on the day or on the date that we specified um, on that, yeah, so on that date. So it will have all the transaction IDs, the account ID, so all the information that is needed, the bank account, the type of transactions, and then the name of the owner. So these are all uh, the names here are not real names, all right? So these are all for a sample data only. Okay, so these are all sample. These are not real names and email numbers. These are not real names. So just for the sake of um, giving sample data here, and after that, the automation will automatically erase the data from your Google Sheets. Right? So that is how this accounting automation workflow works. Okay. So if you have a business and you are wasting a lot of time doing manual work and you want to automate those jobs, okay, without error, of course, we help businesses like yours that want to save more time and wants to concentrate more on your business. Okay, so if you want business automations, you can just send us a message and we will help you with your business. So once again, this is Mr. Penada. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.